Hello guys. So in this video we will understand the create statement and how do we use this create statement in MySQL. So this create statement, it is used to create a table. So it is used to create a table where you can store some data or you can store some value. So once you create a table, then only you can be able to insert some records or put some records, right? So in this we will see how to create. So before that, let us look at the syntax. The syntax is very simple. So prefix keyword, so keyword called as create. So create statement, then create, and then I'm going to give name of the table. So example name of table is user. So create, then I'm going to say table, and then I'm going to say table name, that is user, and then I have to specify all the variables that I have to create. So say for example this user will have an ID. So if that ID is a number, so I'm going to say number. If it is a primary key, then I'm going to say primary key. Later we'll understand what is primary key, okay, not to worry about now. Then if example it has name and it is a character, so you will say varchar, and I'll give the length of the string. So like example 10. Then it has address is also an string, so I can say character 50 and so on. So this is the syntax for creating your create statement. So here we will say the name, and then here I will say type and followed by this. So let us look at this example. So in this query, let us write this. Okay, so right now you can see I have these many databases. So I'm going to create a new database here called as user. So I'm going to say create table called as user, and then I'm going to specify what are the things I require. So this user will have a name which is a varchar, that is a string of 10 characters, say for example. Then he's going to have phno, that is phone number, which is a number. Okay, then he is going to have basically you can say city, which is, let me make it small, city, which is again a varchar of 50. Okay, so let me run this now. So if I run this, okay, there is some error. Okay, I have to not put comma at the end statement. So now you see, once I run this, so it says you have made changes. So now you can see here I have a table called as user. Now I won't have any data in it because see here I did not insert any data, right? But you understood the syntax how to create a user table, right? So this is an example for your create statement where you can use this create statement in order to create a table in MySQL.